friends. I decided that I was going to restain my wood doors. It says on them that there are a birch star. I have no idea what that means. Birch is a type of tree, so serious woodworker here. And I just sanded it down, and I'm putting my second coat on because the first coat looked atrocious. Which is a great reminder that everything that you want to do might not turn out fantastic. So I'll show you. It was very blotchy, not beautiful at all. So hang tight and I'll give you the final product of what it looks like. This could be a trash store, but that's okay. I started with this one because I had no idea. And I also did not wait the full hour to reapply this stain again. So clearly a rule follower. I'm excited to see the results. I hope that it looks more dark walnut, which was the goal. But if not, my backup plan is we'll just paint the bad boy white. I mean, what else could go wrong? So, I'll be back. Melanie, the serious woodworker here. Figured I'd show you my technique that I use to brush. I bought the cheapest brush at Menards, which I'm sure I wasn't supposed to do either. And my brush strokes aren't even, like the directions state. This time I'm gonna try to really wait. Anyone that knows me knows that I'm an impatient squirrel, and so I get so excited to see what it looks like. And for all my fellow woodworkers out there, serious fellow woodworkers, I did lightly sand between coats because that's what Google said to do. So, trusted resource that I've been utilizing throughout this process. And I did take out the door handle because the goal was to put black door handles on this beautiful walnut door. Hopefully it looks more walnutty. Yeah, brush strokes. This is the front of the door. I decided to start with that, which maybe I should have started with the back, so that way it's more hidden, but yeah. Learn from your mistakes, as they say. And I felt like I took all of the clear coat, I think it's called varnish, off. Maybe that's the problem. Maybe I didn't sand down low enough. Yeah, and I don't really know. I mean, my muscles hurt from sanding, so I figured that I'd done well enough. But yeah, I'll be back for more staining action. I'll show you my technique for taking it off. It's pretty cool. All right, trusted woodworkers, I'm back. It's all stain. And now I'm going to try to wait 3 minutes. So, should be easy. Shouldn't be too hard. Let's hope. To help ease the time, I'm gonna go play some fetch with Bosco. Hoping that my blotchy stained door frame looks unblotchy this time. One can hope. Get that here. my trusted resource, my mom, who is a professional woodworker, not really, did say and did ask, does Ben know that you're doing this? And I feel like Ben had some hope in me after I created a table. And I feel like he'll be kind of bummed if he comes back and sees a ruined door. So the trust will be taken away.